Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Design for You. So now I am showing how to import PDF file into an AutoCAD. So let's start our process. So now open this AutoCAD. My version is AutoCAD 2021 version. Now click the A icon here. You can find the import option here. Click on that. Then select this PDF. After that, here you can see the file option. You can click that. A bar will be this will be open, a small window. Now select the PDF which you want to import here. I need to select some drawing file. I will select one file and I will import into this. So please wait. I'm selecting this file and I'm clicking here open. You can see here this model will be opened here, and you can select the scale, rotation, and this all. You can change the options. So click on OK. Place it here wherever you want. You can see that this file has been opened. Now you can check the measurements. So I will check the measurements now. So this is in some other unit, so I want to change the unit. So click on row and enter. You can change it into architectural feet and inches. Okay. So now you can check here the measurement. I have got the same measurements. It is 4 feet. This is 12 feet. This is 19 feet. This is how you can import a PDF file into AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Design for You. So let's start our process. So now open this AutoCAD. My version is AutoCAD 2021 version. Now click the A icon here. You can find the